Welcome everyone. Welcome to the stream, live stream. Welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to another session of NQ. Yesterday was a tough session. You saw me digging myself out and ending green on here. And then the afternoon session was really tough for the bulls. It was just really bearish until the overnight session. That's what we've been lately seeing. Overnight session's been pumping. We're seeing it here as well, and then New York sold. Now we're pumped again in the overnight session. Are we going to drop again is the question. We've got some large gamma levels here. Tough to call. I think NQ has a potential to go all the way back up to 24,000, okay, and then drop, or it just capitulates now. I think it's going to go up first and then drop. I say that because I think VIX is setting up for a capitulation event. I think VIX is going to reach these levels again, the 60s. Just a second, guys. Alright guys, yeah, I think VIX is gonna have a capitulation event, just like we saw here, and that was a great buying opportunity, August 2024, and then we saw the same thing in April 2025. So I think the VIX is setting up for a capitulation event. Maybe Trump talks tough for the next week. Maybe in the next week, I think he'll dial it back, and then that would be your macro bottom. I think S&P 500 is down about almost 10%. So you can say correction territory. I still think it's going to make its way down to about 6150, maybe lower, 6100, 6150, in that vicinity. It could also come down to the 0.5 though. It could also come back down to 5800. That, I think that would be a really good buying opportunity for the S&P 500. Big tech, most of the tech stocks are down quite heavy. Okay, they're already in bear market territory. So I think the VIX is setting up for a capitulation event. I really do. I think that would be a really good buying opportunity on the S&P 500. I think this war will wind down, and yeah, when we look back, we'll say, okay, that was a good opportunity to get long in the market. All right. In terms of today's trading plan, I want to move down. I want these triple bottom equal lows here. They keep bouncing off the previous week lows here, getting really monster rallies. So I want all that taken out. I want around 23,200 for a long. This is also the previous day value area low, so it's a really good level. So that's what I really want. That will be a 200 point drop from here. Maybe we go up and then come down, or we carry on rallying and then come. I wouldn't like that, to be honest. Yeah, I think if it goes up here, then the chances of it coming down here are pretty low. nonetheless, it could still happen. It still could do that. But I want this first and then that. I think there is a possible move up to here on the Nasdaq. ES is quite a way away from the previous day highs. It's really bearish. NQ is a lot stronger today. So yeah, we're paying attention to NQ. Yeah, right now it's looking okay. I think it may go and sweep the Asia lows and then drop. So yeah, I'm watching that at the minute. Aside from that, I don't really have any levels. Yeah, that's the only level we have today to trade from. If you're going to short it, it's probably going to be from around 550s, around this zone here, 540s to 520s, this zone. Good morning, K-Dog. How's it going? Hope you're well. Yeah, I think this is the zone for shorting. Probably come back down and then sweep and then do this. It'll look like a chop fest. Yeah, I think this is a good area maybe for a short up here. And this is our long area. So long and short, these are two areas. I'll probably play a short here, to be honest, but I don't really see any trades, any amazing trades, unless this market just capitulates. Then we can find some pivots. But okay, well, we want to see where SPX opens. If it opens up here, I'd want to see this gamma level support for a move higher to close the gap. So that's what I'm looking at. Tough session yesterday though, very tough. Okay. A few more minutes. Yeah. So I really think a good buying opportunity on the S&P is coming soon. I'll pull a fib. And I put in 382. Yeah. I'll put on the weekly here. Yeah, I think the 382 is going to come into play. Down to around 60,076. I think that would be a good level to start buying in to some stocks. Stocks are down quite heavy. Okay. So I think these two are good spots to start buying back in. Especially if we got a VIX spike to like 50, 60s. I'll definitely be a buyer of that. There is a potential for this gap fill down here, but I don't think it's going to happen unless, you know, the war gets really nasty or whatever. But I think this war is going to come to an end soon. It just depends on Israel, to be honest, in my opinion, and how they respond. Yeah, 6,080 will be a good level. Start dollar cost averaging in. Because if you look at these tech stocks, they're beaten down. They're really beaten down. Okay. Most of them are in bear markets already. So we look at Meta, for example. Yeah, it's down to over 20%. I think if we take out the April lows, anything under there, 440s, good buy, in my opinion. Could it come lower? Sure. It looks like a Elliott wave correction. A, B, C. Somewhere around 450 to 420s. Good region to buy, I think. Even look at Microsoft. It's down quite heavy. 35% discount on a blue chip like Microsoft. Yeah, it's not a bad discount. Take out the April lows here, down to about 300, 320. I think good zone to buy. And Google's down 23%. I think Google the 0.5 will be all right, 220s. So yeah, I think they've got a little bit more downside to come. This is Amazon. I want Amazon to take out the April bottom. That'll be I think decent move around to 150, 145 region. I think that'll be all right. Let's see. Yeah, 145 around the 0.5 with this move, and that'll be a nice buy on Amazon. Nvidia, yeah, this is still to roll over yet. Yeah, I think 150s to 136. I think in this zone will be a good buy spot for Nvidia. And then Tesla. I would say Tesla. I won't touch Tesla until it gets to the 225s. Back down here. Yeah, it's too expensive at the moment, in my opinion. Tesla. AMD's too expensive. It's got to drop. At least down to the 0.5, 145 level. Palantir also needs to drop. I think I'd want more of a discount on Palantir. Yeah, let me just do the whole thing. Yeah, Palantir, I mean, let's do it from here. Okay. Down to $84, $85. This should come down. Okay. Adobe, look at Adobe, man. This thing is getting crushed. Yeah, 164. That'd be a decent level to buy. Lululemon is down quite heavy. Yeah, coming into somewhat of a buy zone, but this looks bearish though. I think this might just capitulate down a lot further, down to the 50s or 80s. I think $80 would be a decent buy on top of this, all this support, all this resistance flip support. Yeah, around $80. I think that would be all right for Lululemon. DocuSign. Yeah, this looks bearish. Probably stay away from that. GM. Let's have a look at GM. GM is not even going down because Warren Buffett bought this thing. Yeah, I won't touch this until it gets to the 50s and into this zone. That'd be a good buy, I think. Ford really just doesn't go anywhere. Pretty pretty shit stock. But if it gets down to these levels, like 5s, then you can pick it up. Usually gets a nice bounce. This is a good stock, by the way. NEO, a really good stock. I think this is gonna, once the next bull market starts, I think, yeah, big move. $25-30 is on the cards here on NEO. I called this out when it was like $4. Right now it's off. It went up to 8. Good company. PDD retail. I won't touch this until it gets to this, maybe even lower. I don't really like that stock. Right, we're open. We are open, guys. We are open. Okay, yeah, market's pumping up. Oops. I think they want to take out the high. Give us a sec, guys. All right. Yeah, so we're taking out the Asia high. Yeah, now it's pulling back. After sweeping, they're getting slammed now. Looks like that might be all she wanted. Yeah, it looks bearish here. Looks like bulls are trying, but it's not looking very strong. Let's see. I really want to push down though, to be honest. Yeah, but it looks like bulls are back. Yeah, they want more upside. Oof. So bullish. Let's see where SPX opened. Okay. Yeah, that's what I want. I move down to here, the half gap and this gamma level, and then I can go long. I do think they're gonna slam this at some point. That's what it's looking like. It's looking like they're gonna set it up and slam it. Yeah. Come on, Bass. Slam this thing. There's still a lot of liquidity to the upside though, if they want it. Yeah, I'm going to be looking to short up here on the 520s, if you can get up there. But I just feel like they're gonna slam it. I just feel like they're gonna slam it, guys. This looks bearish. This looks like they're setting up bulls for a trap. Let's see SPX, yeah. They're holding on though. The bulls are really fighting. Even on the SPX, they're fighting the open. If they lose the open, I think then, well, good chance to capitulate here. S&P 500 needs to lose the open. If that's lost, then I think we've got a good chance of getting that flush down. NQ looks like it wants to revisit the VWAP. Or maybe not. Looks, yeah, it looks like the bulls are buying it back up though. Yeah, they're buying it back up. Oof, that's a big buyback. Yeah, they've gone. S&P's gone. Let's see ES is doing. Okay. ES is not even taking Asia highs yet. Come on, ES, take that fucking high. And yeah, we also have jolts as well coming in 20 minutes, so watch out for that. Yeah, 20 or so minutes. We're getting jobs data. Okay, yeah, swap now. Took the highs. The market doesn't know what it wants right now. How's it going, Hitman? Welcome, welcome. News on the course. The course is released. I made an announcement in the group. So if you wanna go over and purchase it, it's a pretty long course, advanced and beginner section. Yeah, go ahead and raise a support ticket if you want to get your hands on it. Okay, so ES swept and now it's yeah, starting to pull back. No problem, Hitman. Any questions, let me know. Okay, real strong move down. Oof. So many bulls just came in. Wow. Good morning, Paige. How you doing? How you doing? How's it going? Why have I got my previous day lows highs all the way up there? That's not right. Okay, hold on. This is about to sweep the previous day highs. Yeah. This is not far away. Yeah, it's probably going to come and fill this fair value gap here. Or imbalance. Alright, yeah, that was the other day. Yeah, it's not far away. So yeah, that changes things a bit. So ES is definitely going to go and sweep that now. ES is actually the one that's closest to it. Okay, that makes sense. ES sweeps, NQ gets into here, and then we get the big pullback. But jolts data, yeah, I don't really like the fact that we've got news at 10. Okay. Let's go, yes. Let's go. Yeah, it's got crypto stuff in it. So it tells you the exchanges to use, how to use them. It tells you very, very basic stuff as well. From the beginner's course is very basic. Even tells you how to set up a trading view chart, what all this stuff means. Very, very basic stuff. Then it tells you, you know, the crypto leverage and stuff like that. How to use the crypto exchanges. So yeah, futures, the order flow is, you know, it can be used for both, and the technical analysis, it can be used for both crypto and futures. Pretty much no difference. So yeah, it's a very comprehensive course. I think there's like 50 odd videos. If we combine both the beginners and the advanced. Okay. Wow, look at that spike. I think that's a news candle, guys. I think that's a news candle. I think that's a news candle, guys. That looks like a news candle to me. Anybody have any news, access to the news? Let me know. Yeah, so that's the area I was looking at. Alright. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try short here. It's risky because I think that might be a news candle on it. We've got jolts in like 10 minutes, but hoping we can get a quick flush down before news, before jolts. This is a quick scalp though. This is nothing more than that. It looks like bull's trying to absorb though. Come on, a quick flush down will be nice. I'll take profits quickly. I don't like the way this is moving. Yeah, I don't like the way this is moving. Eight more minutes until the news. All right, we have a nice flush. Come on, keep going now. Oh fuck. Yeah, bulls they want blood today. The bulls are back in town by the looks of it. They were missing yesterday. I think they're back today. Yeah, they're absorbing here. Yeah, this is crazy. I'm out of here. That was a quick scalp before news. Didn't work out. 25-point loss. I'll take it. Yeah, this is crazy. Yeah, S&P I think is gonna go and fill that gap. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get a proper pullback today too long. Well, the looks of this. Yeah, this is now all the way back here is looking very unlikely. Unless news is very nasty. I just don't see that happening. Yeah, this is wild. So I think we opened 380 to 570. That's almost 200 points in 30 minutes. Straight from the open. Right, we're next to previous day highs now on NQ. ES is continuing to rally. Yeah, QQQ. Yeah, this pullback now looks like a pipe dream. Man. What's going on? Van Rensburg is in the house. Show some respect to my boy Van Rensburg, guys. Guy's one hell of a trader. He is a great trader, guys. But he will not tell you his strategy. And he's not on socials. He's not on social media either. So yeah, how typical is that at the NQ? Everybody long in here for the breakout. Now it's getting the pullback. How dirty is that? Really dirty move. Tuesday pizzas. Pizza Tuesday. It's dirty, bro. Stop making all the money. Van Rensburg. Leave some for us as well. Let us get some of that crumbs. Alright, 3 more minutes. VIX is actually collapsing down. Wow. Bitcoin getting a big move as well to the upside. We're at 67k on Bitcoin. Couple of more minutes until the jolts, and NQ looks like it's gonna now go and take it after stopping these late longs. Those are proper retail guys who don't have the margin in their accounts getting liquidated, and now it's going to go and sweep the highs. How dirty. Are they going to sweep it in a minute? Right before the news? Or are they going to trap people? 4 seconds. Yeah, they've done it. There we go. There's news. So 6.88, forecast is 6.92, so softer than expected job openings. That's not good for the Fed. Okay, they're stuck between a rock and a hard place right now. Because if inflation starts rising, then we've got a stagflationary backdrop here. So that's not going to be good at all. But the market might like this news. They might interpret that as rate cuts. But yeah, we've got a lot more data points to come. Yeah, later in the week we got the non-farm payrolls and unemployment on Friday. So yeah. All right. Yeah. For the bulls to continue to get to these levels, I think it needs to hold here. I'm looking for a long from here to continue to trend higher. Yeah, if this pivot doesn't hit, then I'm looking back down towards here. If we get back inside value, I think we could rotate back down. So this is an area where the bulls would probably likely look to hold. So yeah, let's see. Might take a while though to get down there. Bitcoin's trying to rally. Silver's having a monster move today. It's up over 5%. Sup, Laughter? How you doing, brother? PW was scared? Yeah. Don't blame him, bro. Scary market. Let's have a look at oil. Yeah, oil's 106. Man, that's not good. Yeah, Trump is panicking. That's why he wants to end this war. Can't have oil at these levels. Oil needs to be back down to the 60s. See the Dow Jones. Man, Dow Jones has got a real big correction, huh? Uh, 10% on Dow Jones. A possibility to 0.5 here. Maybe a little bit lower. Nice. RTY is rallying today. DXY facing a little bit of resistance, but I expect a breakout on DXY. 10 years spiked to 448, getting a bit of a pullback. All right, NQ starting to pull back. Can the bears bring it down? Yeah, that's strong. Yeah. Yeah, it was Jolt's job openings today, Laughter. You made money, so yeah, not a costly mistake of not knowing news. All right. How is Iran treating Dubai lately? Not very nice, mate. Not very nice. Come on down to around 450s. Come on. I was trying to rally higher. Yeah, I know. Oil's going crazy, so yeah, gasoline's gonna get expensive. England's gasoline's more expensive than the US. So is gas in England as well. Really expensive. If you continue trading, you can afford the world. Yeah, that's the plan, man. Hopefully we keep our emotions in check, and then we'll be all right. If we can keep our emotions in check, our profits will follow. That's for sure. Yeah, market's trying to hold here. It's probably going to rally to a new high. If it does that, I'm going to get out of here. I don't think I'm going to get any pivots. Yeah. And I'm feeling a bit tired today, eh? Yeah, I think NQ wants to make a new high. That's the way it's looking. Hopefully it doesn't, just comes down. Gives us an opportunity to go long. It doesn't look likely though. Looks like it's going to go and put a new high. Nice laughter. Trading Forex, huh? I find it difficult to change assets because I have no clue how any of the other assets move on an intraday basis. So yeah, I couldn't trade anything else apart from this. I'd have to watch another market for a few months before I'd be able to trade it. I don't have any order flow on Forex, so I wouldn't be able to trade Forex. What ES is doing? ES is actually selling off. NQ's holding the market. Yeah, NQ looks so bullish though. Looks like it's gonna go make a new high. It looks insane. Damn. Wow. Yeah, it looks like it's turned into a bit of a trend day, isn't it? Yeah, I don't think we're gonna find anything, guys. Unfortunately, don't think we're gonna find anything today. I'll stick around for another 10 minutes or so, but this is garbage, yeah. This is just turned out to be a trend day without any real pullbacks. I was waiting for this down here. That didn't happen. Yeah, it's about to go and make a new high. ICT would have told you to short this. Yeah. Sweep of the previous day highs, get a change in market structure into the fair value gap, and you short it. Okay, a few longs have been trapped up there. Let's see if this thing can pull back now. See Laughter. Thanks for popping in, mate. Yeah. Yeah, that's what we want to see. We've got the single prints there. We've got big gamma level, value very high. Yeah, that's a decent pivot. That's a decent pivot to long from. Let's see if we can get it. Alright, nice pullback. Looks like that was a bull trap. Well, they just keep supporting at the 520 level. Sorry, the 500 level. Just keep supporting there. No, fucking hell. Can't just bloody drop this thing. Bulls are so desperate at the 500 level, isn't it? Yeah, it doesn't look good, this. Yeah, they're going for new highs. ICT traders would have got stopped now. Nothing really happening here, guys. Good luck, Paige. I'm probably going to be heading out of the stream pretty soon because this is not really doing anything. So yeah, I think I'm going to get out of here. Unless this comes down and gives us what we want, but that's looking unlikely right now. It looks like this is going to continue squeezing to the upside. Yeah, it's going to make new highs. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. New 2 minutes. I'm gonna see what the next 30-minute candle is likely gonna bring. But I think I'm gonna get out of here. Yeah. So no trades for us today. Unfortunately, no trades. We'll see what the PM brings. I'll be up in the chat. But yeah, if I get this down here, I'm looking for a long. Other than that, yeah, I'm not gonna. I mean, we got that one short. It was a quick exit. Lost about 25 points. No big deal. Yeah. And for those that want to purchase the course, the announcement is in the Discord. Just follow the instructions. You have to open a support ticket and then make the payment. Then the course will get you'll get a link for the course in a Google Drive. All right. Anyways, guys, that's it from me. Yeah, take care, everyone. Thanks for joining, and I shall see you tomorrow, same time. Peace.